How to use Reve AI Image Generator step-by-step guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Reve AI Image Generator. So first of all, you need to log into your Reve account, and after that when you are on the create options, let's just select a sample image, and here you can see what would you like to change. You can just give a prompt, or you can just also edit the prompt from here, and you can just uh, remove this prompt from here and click on enter, and it will now generate the image uh, after editing the prompt, and it's now generating images. And after that you can also start with an image, like you can also upload an image and then you can edit that. You can also set the aspect ratio from here, as you can see, and you can also set the numbers of image. You can also set the numbers of image, and you can also click on enhance on off. You can also set an image and see it to recreate or vary a generation. And if we click on here, you can also see a option called explore. And if we click on the explore options, we can see the already made AI images from here. And there is other options like account, and you can see the points, the paid credits, and every other things related to account information. And if you click on the about, it's all about the Reve AI image generator website or the software. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you can use the Reve AI generator. So see you on the next video.